credit should go to Premji. Today, Patriji told, you don't have to worry, go and sit, you will talk automatically. But no guts, no guts. But today, Patriji's word plus Prem's help, I am able to talk anything, and my inner guru. Patriji connected me to inner guru. Yes, no problem. Okay. Sir, you are...
You said you should not do healing.
Madam, come.
But as per pranic healing and Reiki therapies, they always help you, they will also guide you to help others and relieve their pains.
Yes.
And also they say if you put shielding, that will not transfer to you. What is your opinion in this aspect?
You first you learn Karma Siddhanta. See, basic is Karma Siddhanta. The whole world, present world, whatever is happening, it is all due to Karma Siddhanta. First you study Karma Siddhanta, then practice it, Karma Yoga, then you come to your own conclusion. I was also thinking like that. But sorry, what they are telling is correct, you can help others. Even today, I don't help even my grandson, even my daughter. I have only one grandson, one daughter. Sorry, they will be quarreling. My grandson is coughing for the last 8 days. I am not giving any suggestion. Any suggestion. I know many suggestions, what can be done. I am not giving any suggestion because their level, whatever suggestions I give, they don't take. Why should I tell? Whatever you are telling, everybody will not take. Similarly, that pranic healing or anything, you should help others and all. Yes, it is there. It is there. You should do it, provided you understand Karma Siddhanta properly, then do it, no problem. You are taking, suppose you are doing that, Reiki healing, what you do afterwards? You are washing your hands. You are washing your hands. Washing of that. But what is that washing? You are washing only that...
taken from
no,
them.
No, not that. You are washing only the aura. Because any disease comes to aura first. Any disease comes to aura first, then it is penetrated inside the body. That's why when you are taking bath, take it a point, when you are taking bath daily, in the last half the tub or half a bucket, put this much salt, crystal salt, not the table salt. Put the salt in the water, dissolve it, and then pour it. Last 4-5 you pour it, then your aura is cleaned. That means any disease which is entering into the aura, it is cut. Then and then it is clear.
But the skin texture will change.
No, nothing. It is all the wrong.
Even the turmeric also you can use. Even though you can use the turmeric.
Turmeric also. Okay,
Turmeric
anything
we can.
which can clean the aura.
The last round.
Yes.
Okay.
And turmeric, what he told, there is advantage. If your body, anywhere itching sensation is there, apply tamarind immediately. One day, my sister rang up to me at night 11 o'clock. All my body is itching, scratching, it has become reddish. What to do? Then I told her, you take tamarind, squeeze it, then put it in water, then take bath. Within half an hour, gone.
Tamarind or turmeric?
Turmeric.
Sorry, tamarind. Tamarind. Not
Tamarind or turmeric?
Tamarind.
చింతపండు.
Mulchainu.
Puli.
Mulchainu.
Puli. It relieves.
Wait, in this group, if I want to tell personally, if you still want to do healing and Reiki, be careful. Okay? Maybe 20 years back, if you asked me, I would have said do it. Now I understood that you are taking unnecessarily risk.
But
Yes,
we want to
sir.
do also the cosmic support, no? If cosmic start supporting whatever we do, it will not work out. Is it right, Lord?
Okay, for your answer, I will tell you. You are talking all about, even if you got moksha, if you are residing in Vaikuntha or Kailasa, you know this Pralaya and Mahapralaya, at that time, all these lokas are dissolved. Up to eight lokas, they are dissolved. If you are able to jump to Parabrahma Loka, then only your soul is saved. In the dissolved state, everything goes. So, what all you are telling, they are all within your, I will tell you, Jyot Niranjan, below that lokas. That's all, nothing else.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Madam,